Hey everyone, SirSniperJim here for another box break. So this was my buy it now from last night, box of 11-12 SPX. So last pairing, it was a duel, and the last pairing was picked up by Subterfuge a couple hours ago. So I'll just quickly run through the teams. So we're breaking it on June 8th. This is my 191st break. So for break number 200, there'll be definitely it'll definitely be a special break. So let's run through the teams quickly. 4570 Elk Killer, the Anaheim Ducks. Bruins 37, Boston. Felix Victoria, Buffalo. Tidwell, Calgary. Felix, Carolina. Miss Oceans, Chicago. Subterfuge, Columbus. Keto 860, Colorado. Miss Oceans, Dallas. Bajarin, Detroit. Tidwell, Edmonton. Elk Killer, Florida. All for Kinds, LA. Self-Disturbed, Montreal. Keto 860 Mini. Bajarin, Nashville. New Jersey, Miss Oceans. Self-Disturbed, the Islanders. Felix Victoria, the Rangers. Subterfuge, Ottawa. Miss Oceans, Phoenix. Elk Killer, Philly. Miss Oceans, Pittsburgh. Bruins 37, St. Louis. Felix Victoria, San Jose. All for Kinds, Tampa. Subterfuge, Toronto. Elk Killer, the Vancouver Canucks. Washington, Subterfuge, and Miss Oceans, Winnipeg. So just a quick buy it now. Only bonus part of this break is for each team you get a ballot in for the mega draw. So box number as stated in the description, 957-30494. So we're breaking this live on Blog TV. We've got Mogwai, Crow, Sean, and CM Punk watching. So we'll give you guys something to do. I don't think anyone who's part of the break is watching live right now, but you guys will definitely be getting the links. Alright guys, good luck. So SPX has slowly grown on me. Each box we've been pulling some great autos, so let's hope that continues. We pulled the Crosby auto, Yari Curry in the last break. So we'll put our bonus pack at the back. Our box is empty. Good luck, guys. Pack number 1 of 11-12 SPX. This was a dual buy it now. So we start with a Jonathan Toews base, Rick Nash base, and in our first pack we get our autographed rookie jersey numbered 149 out of 799, John Moore for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and that is Subterfuge. We've got a Jimmy Howard base and a Patrick Sharp base. Spezza base. Pronger base. We've got a rookie jersey for the Calgary Flames and Tidwell. Roman Horak, numbered 549 out of 799. And a couple base there. Drew Stafford base. Ooh, nice. Finite rookie, numbered 56 of 99. For the Philadelphia Flyers and 4570 Elk Killer, Sean Couturier. Sean Couturier, finite rookie. Numbered 56 of 99. Filler, Brassard and Alfredson base. Richards, Halak, Filler, Brodeur, and Kane. Drew Doughty, Datsuk, filler, Ginla, and Stamkos base. Malkin, Pajärvi, filler, Joe Thornton, and Sidney Crosby base. Stastny, Molson, filler, Duchesne, and Berglund base. Jussi Jokinen, Ekman Larsson, filler, Tavares, and Sedin base. Jordan Staal, Zdeno Chara, filler, Le Cavalier, and Bobby Ryan base. Ooh. Shadow box, case hit. And this one going to Miss Oceans and the Chicago Blackhawks. Shadow box stoppers, Corey Crawford. And the shadow boxes are case hits, so we got the case hit here. Corey Crawford for the Chicago Blackhawks and Miss Oceans. It's not bad. That's our third shadow box we've pulled. We've got a Bouwmeester, Horton base, filler, Plekanec, and Bufflin. Tim Thomas, Zach Parise, Spacer, Stahl, and Bergeron. Stephen Weiss, Steve Mason, rookie for the Calgary Flames, and Tidwell again, numbered 354 out of 499, Leland Irving. Leland Irving for the Calgary Flames. Another hit for Tidwell. Spacer, Lidstrom base. We've got Pavlik, Fleury, Spacer, Backstrom, and Latendresse. Brad Richards, Coberly, Spacer, Kopitar, and Lundqvist. Kovalchuk. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Legends of Hockey, numbered 261 out of 499. And another hit for 4570 Outkiller. This is Pelle Lindbergh. So Lindbergh, Legends of Hockey, 261 out of 499. Spacer, Derek Roy, and Brizgalov base. Dustin Brown, Kerry Lettinen. For the Buffalo Sabres and Felix Victoria, winning combos, dual jersey of Drew Stafford, Tyler Ennis. Hit for Felix. Subban, Lucic base. And our last pack before the bonus pack. Phaneuf, Sam Gagner, and winning materials, and another one for the Buffalo Sabres, and Felix Victoria, dual jersey of Nathan Gerby. Nathan Gerby, dual jersey, Hossa, and Eberle. So our bonus pack, of ice. So we've got Alfredson, Carey Price, Tim Thomas, Patrick Kane, and our ice premiere is for the Washington Capitals. And Subterfuge, numbered 1615 out of 1999, Dmitry Orlov. Not a bad box. We did get the shadow box case hit of Corey Crawford. One of the short print finite rookies of Sean Couturier out of 99. And our autograph was for the Columbus Blue Jackets, and it was John Moore. So that is the duel, buy it now, of 11-12 SPX, guys. So thanks for the quick payments, and hope to see you part of the next breaks. Enjoy your weekend.